What's up, you guys? It is itsdinaury and welcome back to my channel. For this week's video, I'm just gonna do like a chill, talkative. Am I gonna talk? I don't know. Like a get ready with me, and I'm just gonna talk about life and stuff. If you want to see what I've been doing and what makeup look I create and like what I do, all that, then just keep watching. So I already did my like skincare, whatever. I washed my face, I applied toner, moisturizer, all that. So my face is like set, but just to like make sure I have more moisture and stuff, just because I don't want my face to look cakey and dry, I'm gonna be applying the Mario Badescu facial, the like rose water spray. You've all seen this before. Hopefully you have. If not, have you been under a rock? I'm gonna pat that in. Also, I woke up with my face like really bloated. Well, actually it's not as bloated as normal, but it's pretty bloated. Normally it's like the size of China. So now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. I'm gonna be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water and also the J1 Jelly Pack. Quick like tip, like pro tip I guess. Don't buy this at Sephora. At Sephora it's like $50, and if you buy it on Amazon or something, I think it's $28. Don't get me wrong, I don't 30, about 30. Yeah, I'm not a smart shopper, so clearly. And then I'm gonna apply this basically where I just have like a lot of pores. Oh my gosh, as you can see, I don't have braces anymore. I just got them off like a few days ago. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I do miss my braces. I like had this like emotional, is it a physical attachment, emotional attachment, and emotional attachment to my braces. I know lots of people say they don't miss their braces. Lots of my friends are like, you're a first. And I'll just put the rest on the rest of my face. Then I'm gonna go ahead and work on my eyebrows. I'm gonna do that off camera. I take years on my eyebrows, and like we don't have time to be sitting here for years. But anyways, I'm gonna be using the brow wish to outline my brow and fill in the front, and then I'll be using the dip brow to like fill in the actual eyebrow. Alright, and there are my eyebrows. As you can see, they look better than normal. Normally they are not like this. And the concealer that I use to like carve them out is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade, ooh, I used a different one. I used the wrong one. This is 20 Sand. I was supposed to use 10 Fair. I'm gonna use this concealer to prime my eyelids. But I was gonna use a MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, but too late. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you could tell, but I like rearranged my room because the bed used to be like really close, but now the bed's over there. You can't see like my vanity and that chest that I had over there, which I actually like the new change because now my room is so much more spacious. Like there's so much more room, and I don't feel as like trapped as I did. And like now I can like lay on the floor and do homework, and like there'll be so much room. And to blend out the concealer, I'm using the Morphe M173. And to set my eyelids, I'm going to be using the Rimmel Stay Matte Press Powder. And this is just so there's no creases and the eyeshadows blend on smoothly. So I brought out 3 palettes because I didn't know which of the 3 I wanted to use. I have the Jaclyn Hill palette, the Morphe 35O, and I have the Copper Spice, but I don't know which one I want to use. Maybe I should just do like a full-on yellow smoky eye. Yeah, we're going to do that, yellow and orange. So I'm going to start off with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to take this like mustard shade, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. I just got done watching a drama. It's called While You Were Sleeping. It has Lee Jong-suk and Suzy in it, and it was really good. I've been waiting forever for that drama, like since it was first announced. I'm pretty sure it was last year, or at least like in January or something. Either way, I've been waiting a very long time for it, and I finally saw it. Honestly, it was really good. I didn't expect it to be like the way it was, to be honest. That was gonna be like different, like they were gonna hate each other or something, like most dramas are. I was just always waiting for like new episodes and stuff. There's no way of like me being able to explain it without me like spoiling it. There were parts where just like, oh my gosh, and like I did cry. I'm really sad that it's over because now there's like no new episodes and no more like Lee Jong-suk and Suzy. I do ship them, but I do ship Suzy and Kim Woo-bin more just because of Uncontrollably Fond. That one is like my ultimate favorite drama. Like I just love it so much. Also, comebacks. BTS at the AMAs. Let's talk about that. That performance was bomb. That's the only reason why I watched the AMAs. I don't ever watch TV, and like I finally turned the TV on and like I recorded it, and I like watched the whole entire thing just waiting for BTS to come on. And that's the only reason why I watched the whole entire thing, just so I could see like shots of them, you know. Of course, you couldn't hear the fan chants on the one that was aired, but like when people like post videos and stuff, you like hear the fan chants. I'm so proud. I'm like a proud mother. I think I'm gonna start with that lighter orange just to kind of build up the orange. You can use the light orange in the Morphe 35O. You don't necessarily have to use all 3 palettes. I'm just being extra because I already pulled it out. I think I'm just going to go ahead and build this up in my crease. JK, ignore what I said. I say that, but I could just cut it out. I'll leave it in. Will I? I'll just cut it out and like you'll never know what I said. Then I'll go ahead and do the orange on the lid. I'm using a fluffy brush instead of a packing brush because I don't want it too orange. So I'm using a tapered blending brush. Ooh, JK, that looks kind of bad. Ooh. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. Curl them up to Jesus. That's how Patrick would say it. Oh my god. Got stuck on the way there. So now my eyelashes are on and my eye makeup is done. We can continue on with the face. Alright, for foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Cushion. I've been going for like that natural finish more recently. So that's why I'm using this one. Just because it's not too full coverage. So I'm just going to go ahead and conceal. I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and the LA Girl Pro HD. My forehead is really pale right now. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and set my face using the Laura Mercier Translucent Face Setting Powder. So I'm going to go ahead and contour using my Anastasia Contour Kit. I'm going to use this shade today. So I'm just gonna let that do its thing. Cook, bake, 350. I don't know how that works. It just does. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply blush. I'm gonna be using my Jaclyn Hill Becca palette. I'm gonna go ahead and mix these. I just whistled. I'm gonna go ahead and mix these two together. Moving back to the eyeshadow, taking the Jaclyn Hill palette again. I'm going to take that mustard shade and apply that to my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take the bright orange from the Morphe palette, if I could open this thing, oh my goodness. And take this one and go ahead and also apply it to my lower lash line. I have like a lot of wrinkles under my eyes, so I kind of have to go a lot lower than normal. I swear there's like an earthquake. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take my BoxyCharm Electric Eyes palette. This is like the Blink palette, and it's like a collab with BoxyCharm. So I don't know if you can get this or not, but I'm just gonna use this champagne highlighting shade. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lower lash mascara. I'm gonna be using the MAC Extended Lash Play. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Pixi Skin Treats Hydrating Milky Mist. And then I'm going to go ahead and highlight, which, I'm so excited because everyone loves highlighter. A good highlight is a happy highlight. Alright, and for the moment I've been waiting for so long, the Dose of Color X Katie X Desi collab. So I opened the box, right? I had to like hang this up in my room like under my BTS poster. I only bought a highlighter because I wasn't really going to buy anything from the collection, and I was like, well, I should probably get just one thing, and so I got the Dose of Colors Fuego highlighter, and there's the highlighter. Alright, here we go. Like, I just feel like it just really does it suit? And I'm just going to go ahead and take my Maybelline, highlighter, and just kind of highlight my Cupid's bow. I think all that's left is lips. I think I'm going to go for like a really like nude, like Celebrity Skin by, by Jeffree Star. Probably mixing these two. So Celebrity Skin and then Daddy by Jeffree Star. I use Leo by Jeffree Star and then Celebrity Skin, also by Jeffree Star. I apply this one first and then I layer this one on top, like in the center. And like in the center again, I put the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in number 5 Loyalist. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Sorry for not talking as much. Subscribe to see more of this face. I don't know why you'd want to, but if you do, the subscribe button will be around here somewhere. You're smart. You know how to use the internet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all next week, hopefully.